The winds ain't as bad, but it's sure enough raining. Yeah, I-10's closed. That's what's going on over there.
In a quarter mile, make a U-turn at Green Acres Drive.
It keeps telling me to make a U-turn. I don't even know where I'm going. Wow, look at that. Unreal. This bridge is about done. If the water comes up too much more, there'll be no way to get over. So that's a lot of water. That was a park. Man, yeah, check that river, man. It's definitely flooded. Westbound on I-10, and this is at least 5 miles after I've been up on the interstate after the detour. There are people outside of their cars walking just for the fun of it because they're out walking their buddies. There's people outside of their cars taking whizzes right in the middle of the street, people hanging out, drinking beer and whatnot in the back of pickup trucks, and it just goes on for as far, I don't even know how many miles this is going to go on. The trees down up against I-10. Coming out of Pensacola. This is the very east part of Pensacola. Tree sign's crooked, lots of trees ripped up. I'm in Alabama now. I didn't realize it because all the signs were blown down. Yeah, the state of Alabama sign is completely gone. You can see there's a lot more trees about to go too. Snapped off the hand. So the lights are out, so everybody's had to do the four-way stop thing. No power. Big power line down right there. That's like a main power line, so the tree laying on it. So they ain't gonna have power here until they get that taken care of. Sightseers in front of me. Yep, that knocks some power out. Tree against the church. Just past the truck with a busted out windshield. You can tell that the branch went right through it. He's still driving it down the road though. You'll be able to see it on the rear view. Yeah, anyway, his shit's busted. Yep. There's a big tree down there in the driveway, and then there's the other big tree that's down up there. Yeah, look at all those trees on there. My co-pilot, Ariana. Lots of branches in the road, bent signs. Speed limit sign bent over all the way. Yeah? That billboard there is totally gone. Just ripped it away. I think that was the one about the mini golf place, wasn't it? So here we go. Coming up on Lee's Park. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, look at all the trees down inside that. Oh, look, there's the people's house thing got demolished there. Yeah, that thing's tore up, huh? Wow. Yeah, their big shed got tore up. Lee said that the duck pond was so overflowing that they had to save fishies out of her driveway because there was fish in her driveway. Yeah, the duck pond's still super, super high. Look at that. Wow. Yep. See, and me and Miss Lee just walked the dogs right there where it's underwater. Yep. Yeah, it does. It looks like a new pond. Wow, look at her house.
I know.
Wow, you can't even get down the road.
Barely.
Oof.
Barely.
Oh, we're driving on top of power lines. Look at that. We're on top of power lines.
Can't get past that.
Nope, can't go past that. Ah, wow. Look, it's Cecily.
Cecily!
All right.
That's her.
See, some of the porches didn't even survive. Just collapsed. Or a tree hit it. Yeah, that tree fell down onto the house. Used to be a tree. See, that's behind Lee's house. And see, some people's carports and stuff weren't so lucky. Their carport's destroyed.